Alright folks, it's Neil here from Galt Electrical Solutions, your local electrician serving Clackman and Sharon Stirling. This morning, well today we're going to be in this lady's house. We're doing a board change. The lady originally got us out because her inline fan wasn't working in the shower. A couple of other jobs that was needing done. And we noticed, well, half noticed that the board could do with an upgrade. Basically there was no RCD protection or anything in place in any of the sockets. So what we actually do for our board changes is we carry out an EICR, an electrical installation condition report. This then lets us know that the installation is basically up to standard, and lets us from there then change the board over with no issues. So we do this first, as I say, then it stops any underlying issues or anything like that there happening once the board's changed over. And once everything's satisfactory, or if there's any remedial works that's needed, they'll get carried out first, and then we'll upgrade the board. And in the next wee clip here, I'll just show you what the board currently looks like. So this is the old Fuseboard. It's plastic, there's no surge protection, there's no RCDs. The good thing is it is Hager, which is the brand that we always fit. We fit this brand because they just work, basically. There's never any problems with them. So we're going to take all this out, we're going to change it over. But as I say, what we'll do first is we'll do our testing, and this is a meter. It's 1553. It's a slightly older edition from the current ones, but this meter has never let me down yet. Calibrated every year, every month it does. We do the self-calibration to keep up with the NIC logbook. We've got the crocodile clips. They're great for when we're carrying out our R1, R2s, our leads, socket tester, plug-in one, and then this is the board that's going in. So it's a Hager board again. As I say, this is we only fit Hager, top quality brand for domestic anyway. You've got your surge protection here, you've got your 100 amp main switch, and then each individual circuit is going to have its own RCBO. So this more than meets the 18th edition standards. The reason why we fit the RCBOs is basically then each circuit is protected at 30 milliamp. If there's a fault on an individual circuit, it's only tripping that circuit. It's not going to knock out 3-4 circuits that you get with the split boards that some people still fit. You also then have, it compensates for earth leakage. So if you have earth leakage because it's an older installation, you may have earth leakage in 3-4 circuits, and that can cause nuisance tripping if it's protected by one RCD, for sake of argument, protecting the 4 circuits. So this should cancel out any nuisance tripping, and it also protects. It means then if the lights are on their own protection, upstairs sockets is on its own protection, the cooker's on its own protection, downstairs sockets. So if you have a fault in the lights, it's only knocking off the lights. It's not going to knock off the fridge, for sake of argument, and then end up, if you're on holiday or something, you've spoiled all your food that's in the freezer. Okay, so this is really the reason why we fit them. Next clip will show you the board fitted after the testing. Cheers. Right folks, in here we have the new board fitted. As you can see under here, it's got a surge protection, 100 amp main switch, everything's back on, sockets, hob, oven, garage, and 2 lighting circuits. There's more detail on these on the actual circuit chart that you'll be getting given with the test sheet, and as I say, these are all working fine on the trip. So, and that's basically it. Job done, all labelled up, good to go.